Hey guys, welcome to another video. If this is the first time, you are very welcome. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Okay, see, today's video, I don't know what to call it, but I'm very glad I filmed it, and yeah, because it came out so good. So this video was inspired by just one gadget that we bought. My daughter actually picked this gadget up when we went to the bake shop. She picked it and refused to drop it, and I was even like, I don't need it, but she was so cling to it, like just because it's kind of a watermelon, sorry, a strawberry shape. And at the end of the day, this was so difficult to figure out. But then let's just get right into the video. So I don't have carrots, I don't have Irish potatoes, and she wanted a pie. Not because she wanted to eat pie, but because she wants us to make use of the gadget we bought. And yeah, why not if not? And I checked my fridge. I don't have most of the things I need to make pie, but there I was staring at some leftover chicken and as well as some cabbage, and that was basically everything we had in the fridge. So I have to put it in good use, and this is what I came up with. Okay, so in my pot I already have a bit of vegetable oil. I just drizzled some sesame oil just for flavor, and yeah, I went ahead and add some onions, some scotch bonnets just to make it spicy a bit, and I added the chicken which I've already deboned and just shred with my hands. Okay, so I added that and I allowed it to simmer for some minutes. I added some thyme, some curry, I added salt, and yeah, for seasoning I just went ahead and add oyster sauce. I added light soy sauce. I added sweet chili sauce. Yeah, I just did some, like, I just look around my kitchen and I put whatever my eyes was able to catch, because I don't even have a plan. I don't know what I was doing. But guys, at the end of the day, the way this thing tasted, I don't even know. Like, it was so good. It was so yummy. You know, this is how recipe comes up, okay? So yeah, this is it. And thank God I filmed everything. And yeah, I'm sharing because you guys need to try this. So I was adding my oyster sauce, and I'm just going to finish up with the sauce, and yeah, we'll get right into making the dough. Okay, so this is actually, if I'm going to name this, I will just say is cabbage chicken sauce or chicken cabbage sauce. I don't know, but those are kind of the things I added. So over there I already shredded my cabbage, and I'm going to be adding it to this at the end of this sauce making, and everything is just going to come together. Yeah, that's what I did, and it was nice. Okay, so let me allow you enjoy the video. So for the dough, I actually just give it a little twist. You can use your regular meat pie or chicken pie dough, but I just added some few other stuff, and yeah, it gave me a very tasty dough. So you can actually just try it out, like adding milk flavor, yeah, and yeah, whatever that you add to your dough. There are lots of dough recipe, but this one I just wanted something a bit unique, and yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so for this one I'll be leaving the recipe of the dough in the description box, so you can just try it out and see if you like it. So now it's time to make our pie proper. I have some flour over there that will be rubbing on my work table, and I have eggs for washing. And here is the gadget, guys. Here is the gadget that made me to come out tonight to make this. Here's the gadget, and you see this gadget, I thought it would be like a regular meat pie cutter and all of that, but you see this gadget, it stressed me today. I was confused at this point because it was packaged and I didn't really know what it looks like inside. So now I've opened it and I'm kind of confused, but yeah, let's just roll out our dough and see if we can figure it out. Figuring it out wasn't easy because it stressed me a lot. So what I want, guys, is if you have this or you have used it before, please let me know in the comment section. I really need you to tell me how it works, because I bought this for 1,200 naira and really I want to know how it works. Thanks to my daughter for making me spend this money, because I'm not happy about it. But probably when you tell me how it works, I might just overlook it, okay, and try to understand it. But I really need you guys to put me through on how this can be managed, okay? So let's go and I'll show you where the struggle begins. So this was initially my first try of figuring it out. I flattened my dough, and yeah, because there is a design at the back that makes it look like it's a strawberry dotted mark, I just tried to cut it with the back, and yeah, that was it. There was no way I could close it, or you know the way your normal meat pie cutter is, so I can't close it. So what do? I just put it on top, and yeah, I put my filling and I just close it with my hands, okay? Then I tried a second one, and yeah, I will show you what the other one looked like. I still don't think I've figured it out, but yeah, if you know better or you have it, I will really appreciate if you can tell me how to go about it. So this was my first try, and I don't think this is how it's meant to be used. Else there are several ways to use it, because this was my only option to close it up with my fingers, okay? So I tried to just press it, but due to the feeling inside, it wasn't working. So I just used my fingers to close it, and this is what I got, okay? And you can see the strawberry dotted mark on it. So let's go and let me show you the second idea I got. So as you can see, I've filled up one portion um of the mold. I was just trying to make it look like the regular meat pie mold, but the point of this, or all the problem here, is that it wasn't closing, because there was nothing to close it, okay? It wasn't closing like the regular meat pie will, and then the excess we cut off. It wasn't working. So I just went ahead and put the whole thing underneath, and I pressed really hard, and yeah, it's cut out. But yeah, let me just show you what it looks like, okay? See, this was a struggle. My daughter was just there, as in, it was as if I should just give up on everything. But seeing how excited she was, in fact, when I got this second on top, you see, she shouted, "Yay, mommy, you got it! Mommy, you got it!" See, if not for love, I would have just thrown the whole thing away. But yeah, so that was it. And I don't know, is that the original way of using it? Because I'm still not sure. Is that the original way? If that is the original way, then what is the lapping like when you close it? What was that supposed to do? So I don't know if I got it right, but I really need to hear from you guys. I know someone somewhere must have bought this gadget and you can use it properly, so let me know, so I don't like just throw it away, because that's like the next plan, because I can't be watching or having something I don't know how to use. It's annoying. So let me just leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, okay? Yeah, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and yeah, just comment what your thoughts are, and what do you think about this feeling? It was sweet, it was nice. Give it a try, okay?